How to change your name in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Changing your name in the game Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade is pretty quick once you know where to look. First of all, launch open the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your device, and once you're inside this home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now click on Profile from the menu option. Inside your profile section, go ahead and tap on the pencil button right next to your name and enter a new name you want to change to. Once you are done, click OK and wait for a few seconds. And now your name has been changed in your profile. That's it. You've successfully changed your name in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Now you can jump back into battles with a fresh identity that feels more like yours. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.